So chapter 6 is about time value of money. So time value of money will explain the principle why the purchasing power is different or change over the time. Okay, so the first thing that we have to know in time value of money, they are will be the present value, the present value, future value, and annuity. So these are the things that you're going to learn in time value of money. So in annuity, you also need to find the future value and also present value. The only difference in annuity is the additional part in a series of payments. So that is the difference between present value, between the single amount of present value and future value. Okay, so basically there are four things that you have to know how to calculate in time value of money. So the learning objective of learning this topic, the student is expected to understand the student is expected to be able to determine the present value and future value of a cash flow. So present value will be the value of today, and future value will be the value for tomorrow. And apply the concept of time value of money in evaluating the financial investments. Identify the viable or profitable projects and make a financial decision. Okay. So these are the this is expected from the student what they are going to learn from this topic. So what is time value of money? Time value of money changes over time. All right, so the decision involve investing or financing. So investing means that where to put the money, where to save the money, or financing. So financing means that where to borrow the money, whether to borrow or not to borrow the money. All right, where the cash flow occur at a different point of time and require an understanding on time value of money. So it is the basic valuation for securities and other assets, and it is also a basic valuation for capital budgeting, cost of capital, as well as leasing analysis. The time value of money is the basic principle of all the other financial decisions. So let us go to the first one, the present value of money. So present value of money is the value of money today. How to calculate present value? Present value is future value. We have to know how much is the future value. Multiply with 1 divide 1 plus I to the power of n. So 1 plus I, 1 divide 1 plus I to the power of n is actually the PVIF table formula. Okay, so it's either you can straight away calculate using the formula, or you can calculate using the financial table. So let us go back to the formula first. This formula actually can be simplified to be future value divide 1 plus I to the power of n. Okay, it will be the same thing. Or if you want to use a formula, you just straight away identify how much is the future value, and then find the amount in PVIF table. Get the I and also the period of time. So this is one of the example, one of the question, how to calculate the present value. what will be the present value of 1,000 ringgit to be received in 8 years from today if the discount rate is 5%? So this statement inform you that in 8 years later, you will have 1,000 ringgit. Okay, in 8 years, so basically in 8 years, so at the end of the 8 years, there is 1,000 ringgit. So this 1,000 ringgit, how much it is equivalent to this value? So with the discount rate of 5%. Okay, so how to calculate this? Let us calculate using formula first. If you want to calculate using formula, it is future value divide 1 plus I to the power of n. So future value is 1,000. So 1,000 divide 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 8. Okay, so 1,000 divide 1.05 to the power of 8. So 1.05 to the power of 8 is 1.4775. So we can just 1,000 divide 1.47745. So let us make it as 5. We take up to 4 decimal. So 1 divided by answer would be, 1,000 divided by answer would be 676.839. So just round up, 676.84. So this answer will be in Ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so this is if you use formula. If you want to use table, you can just refer to PVIF table. 5%, look at 5% in 8 years. So the figure for PVIF 5% in 8 years is 677. So 0.677 multiply with 1,000. So the answer is 677. So both answer will be